Hi everyone. If you are an applicant to study in Australia, this document checklist tool can be helpful for you. Through this tool, you can check the evidence level of your visa application. Now I will try to show you how we can use this tool. At first, you have to go to Department of Home Affairs Australia's website. I will put the link in the description, in the video description. So this tool is called document checklist tool. If you are an applicant from Bangladesh, you will select Bangladesh from the drop down list. After choosing country, you have to choose your education provider. Let's say you are planning to do a master degree in Swinburne University of Technology. So you will type Swinburne. So Swinburne University of Technology I am selecting. Now Cricos code will automatically come here, and here I am selecting none, as most of our clients fall into this category. Now I am selecting display evidence. Now the system shows the documentary evidence list. Here you will find what documents you need to upload in your visa application. Now I want to show you how choosing a different provider can change the evidence level of your visa application. Let's say you are trying to, instead of choosing Swinburne University of Technology, you are trying to apply for a master degree in Murdoch University, which is in Perth. So I am typing Murdoch. So Murdoch University, Cricos code changes. Now I'm selecting keeping it none and clicking on display evidence. Now you will see two additional evidence come up here: evidence of financial capacity and evidence of English language ability. So through this tool, you can check the evidence level of your visa application. Between these two universities, if someone choose Swinburne University of Technology, his or her visa application is simpler compared to choosing Murdoch University. Thank you for watching. If you need guidance in your Australian student visa application journey, feel free to reach out. I'll put our contact details on the video description. Thank you.